In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Salesforce. This integration can be a powerful tool for streamlining your workflows and ensuring that your teams have all the information they need right at their fingertips. Whether you're managing projects, tracking issues, or simply looking to enhance communication between your development and sales teams, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the left panel in your Jira dashboard. From there, click on Apps, Ayakami, and then select Explore More Apps. This is where you can browse the available apps and plugins that can be integrated into your Jira environment. It's a convenient way to expand the capabilities of Jira and tailor it to meet your specific needs. Next, enter Connector for Salesforce and Jira in the search bar and proceed to install it. This connector is crucial for facilitating the seamless flow of data between these two platforms. Take your time to ensure that you select the right one, keeping an eye out for official or highly rated options, since this will provide the most reliable performance. After the installation is complete, locate the connector for Salesforce and Jira from your list of apps. Clicking on it should present you with a configuration option. Within configuration, you'll want to select connections. This is where you'll manage and create the link between Jira and Salesforce. Once you are in the connection section, look towards the top right corner where you'll find an option to add connection. Click on this to begin setting up a new connection. It's a straightforward process and the user interface should guide you through without issues. You'll then be prompted to give your connection a name. Pick something descriptive that will help you easily identify it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple connections or work within a large team. The next step is choosing your Salesforce environment. Depending on your scenario, you'll select either production or sandbox. If you're testing the integration or just getting familiar with it, the sandbox environment is usually a safer choice. However, for live data, you will naturally go with production. Now it's time to click on Authorize. This will take you through the authorization process where you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Simply follow the prompts, input your credentials when asked, and make sure everything is correct for a smooth connection. Once you're logged in, a menu titled Import Compact Layouts may appear. It's your choice to either click Import to bring these layouts into Salesforce or select Do It Later if you want to defer this step. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Salesforce account to Jira. This completed integration sets the stage for a more interconnected and efficient workflow, enabling your teams to collaborate more effectively than ever before. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your tools and productivity.